Do you know there is a tomato called Pinkgirl? Well, in today's video I'm going to show you how to grow or plant Pinkgirl tomato. If you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, knowledge, and having fun doing it. So let's dive right in where I show you how to grow pink lady tomato step by step. Alright, so this is Pinkgirl tomato, and so you can see right there it says Pinkgirl tomato, and let's take a look at how to grow it. So it says it's flavorful, low acid fruit, heavy producer all season. Maturity day is 76 days. How to grow it: so you plant in full sun, 24 to 36 inches, 61 to 91 centimeter apart in rows. So if you are planting this in a garden, then you have to follow that, but since we are doing in a container, we just put one in each container, and that should be helpful. So now to plant this in your pot or container, just make a little hole in the middle, and yes, you can see the different types of soil that I'm using. I'm just testing things out. Alright, so we make that hole, and then we're going to be carefully remove our Pinkgirl tomato from the container and put it in the center here. Bring soil each side, push it down, bring soil each side and push it down. Alright, just use your finger, your thumbs and a finger, and then push it down like that. Now the soil is enough, so we don't need to add more soil. So this is ready, we just need to add water. And then we're gonna do the same thing for this. Just make a hole in here, and then we're going to carefully remove our Pinkgirl tomato here, and we're going to plant this. Then press it down so it's stable, and we can add a little soil if we want. So that's a little soil in there, and that should be enough. So now all we have to do is just give it a water to both. And this will just help with the growth of the pink tomato. And if you want to know how I mix my soil for my plant or to grow any herbs, you just need to watch the playlist, and you have step by step what I put in my soil, mix it up before I plant my vegetables or my herbs or any plant if you choose to. So this should be enough water, and then we'll just give another water to this one. Okay. Give it the water. And if you want to join the beginner gardeners, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comment section below. If you have any tips, any ideas, please, you are welcome to leave a comment. And soon I'm getting my website ready as well, and very soon there'll be enough content how to step by step on the website where you can go watch the video or go and read the text. Alright, so I think this is enough water to help our Pinkgirl tomato to grow fast for us. And now all we have to do is just put this under the sun for it to start growing. Let me show you how to grow your next tomatoes. And let's dive right in.
And where are you watching from? Also, what are you planting this year? Have you thought of what you can plant in a container? Vegetables, herbs? Start with just 2 containers. It's easy and you will love it. And I'll see you on the next planting. I hope you have fun as you start. Share anything you are doing with us.